offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
Alright, so welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And make sure you share the video all over the place. That's how the video will get enough views. When other people who don't know about the video see it and watch it.
Babe. How are you?
What are you doing?
What do you mean what I'm doing here? Huh? I came to look for my husband.
You know, no husband in yourself.
The last time I checked, we're not divorced, so you're still legally my husband.
Husband and you set me up like this. Eh?
Come here. What you mean? You should be glad you're alive. I could have killed you, It was just one squeeze of that trigger, and you just die.
Can't believe. After so much years, we're married to the devil.
How dare you call me a devil?
Only if me didn't listen to my mother when time my mother talk.
Well, your mother is not here now, so you gotta deal with me. So, how has your stay been here?
God no. I should even know. I should even know.
It looks like you're
As long
enjoying
as I
it.
live, stay away from inner son. Nobody can look for me again. Hear?
I'm still your wife.
You hear me I tell you?
Just calm
He's a
down.
wicked piece of girl.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Just know that you're alive and you're okay. Just think about it as a mini vacation.
I should even know, man. I should even know what you're doing, Here? You can set me up.
Babe, think about it as a mini vacation. You'll be out in no time. Alright? I love you. I love you, baby. Babe. Babe.
You're here again. What can I do for you now?
So I saw on the news that Mr. Anson was arrested. So I wanted to know if there was any ties to my husband's death.
Oh, well, we're not sure. So we can't, go say yes. There's a lot of things that's been going on because actually the firearm that was, operated from the suspect. We call him suspect now still, always it, But what happened is that forensic was done and it has been linked to some other murders.
Okay, but for my fiance, you're working on it, right?
Yes, man. And plus, what happened? We found some drugs in his possession where, trust me, we even tried to find out where him get that from because it's something as soon as it touch it, put it out. It just
So
take
how
time.
long will this take?
You know, actually, you have to just give us a time. I can't really tell you.
Give
Give us
us
some time. Just give
give
us some
you
time.
time, but you guys aren't giving me any update. I have to be keep coming here.
You know, so we're hand tie, you know. So it's like, actually, we appreciate you coming because it's kind of hard for us to just go and be calling victims and parents, and we have a lot on our hands here. So, yes, I'm just, you know, I really appreciate you coming and stuff. You know, we can update you and tell you what's happening.
But this is barely any information. This is nothing at all. We were getting somewhere.
Well, might to you, but it's progress to us. Right? We're getting somewhere. All right, just be patient. All right? So, how you holding up?
Not good. Have you ever lost anybody, Mr. Vassil?
For sure.
So you know exactly how I feel.
Yeah, I understand. But just be patient, please. Give us some time. All right, Miss Chelsea. So, actually, we don't have a choice here, but we're just going to have to wait on the autopsy. All right?
All the way overseas.
Yes. As I said before, it's not done here. All right? Because, as I said before, what we found in his possession. All right?
Well, thank you.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself. All right? All right.
Mr. Jason, how are you doing today?
Dr. Hanson, I'm doing okay.
You're doing okay, but your face telling me another story, you know.
Doc,
Mm-hmm.
8 months now, I come out, you know. I mean, I come to you how long?
Oh,
See,
all right. So
that me know say me no mad in a doc, so me no know why me I come see you so much, you know.
all right. I am aware of the situation, and I know exactly how you feel. But remember, the court ordered you to come to me, right? So I can assess your mental state.
So doc, you know say something good.
And up on this point, I'm still seeing some inconsistencies with your mental state. I don't think you're fit. At least not
Doctor, me not
quite yet.
fit.
You're
Me
not
say me
fit.
not fit. Doctor, I run come here, you know. I talk about me not fit. Doctor, right now, me just want my daughter, doctor. You know, long me not see my daughter.
You want your daughter?
Yeah, then that's why me I come here, doctor. You think me come here for the look on you?
Mr. Jason, you strike me as somebody who may be on drugs. Are you on drugs?
You mean, doc?
You're
And
acting
drugs.
that way.
Doc, me used to sell drugs, me not do drugs, doc. What you talk about?
So what are the chances of you ingesting drugs while you're actually doing the business?
Doctor, when I do the thing more while I know something kind of get up in your nostril and but I just that and nothing. You see me, me not directly eye night. You see me not take drugs, doc. I am on to you.
Is either you're doing drugs or you're not doing drugs? Which
Well,
is it?
I don't do drugs.
You don't do drugs, but you're operating as such.
I
Alright.
used to. Yeah, cause you see me do my time already and I pass life that you see me so.
You know, I'm gonna evaluate you a few more times, and then
Evaluate me a few more times.
after which I'll make my
Doctor,
recommendations.
not tired to see me. Hmm?
You know, to be honest, I am, but you know, this is just my job. But anyways, I'm gonna be making my recommendation in our next 2 sessions.
Doc, what me need to do if we just get this over with so me can see me daughter?
What do you need to do?
Yeah.
The
We
question
can
is,
speed up the process, man.
What are
Come on,
you
man.
willing to do to get your daughter?
Anything, doc. Anything. Me just want my daughter right now. Me tired of her
Anything.
in a system, you see me? Me
Are
tired
you
of that.
sure about that?
Me positive, doc. I want to you, man.
All right, no problem. I'm gonna be pulling a few strings to get your daughter.
Yeah, doc. Just do the right thing, man. No say you can make it happen, you know.
But you know, I need you to do me a favor in return. But I'll not tell you just yet.
So where are we, Panda?
No, man. So after I get that happened for you, then you'll do me a favor. We have a deal.
Anything you say, no, doc. Anything you say. Just want my daughter, that I want my daughter. You see me?
All right, then. So just come back to me on Monday at 7 a.m. So by then I'll have everything ready for you. All right?
Alright, man. Take care of yourself.
Yes, man. You too. And please be good now.
Yeah, man.
Dr. Hanson. Come in, boss. Come in, man. Come in. Where you going? Them place are not fit here, no, man. So what happened? Nothing for wait. You know nothing for say. Confession, nothing.
For the last time,
Yeah.
I did not kill nobody.
Boy, you said that from how long you in here. You not tired of it, man?
I was framed.
Listen to me. You say if you confess, your sentence reduced dramatically, you know. You understand what I mean? Just confess.
So I'm for the tell lie upon myself.
No, but I mean, everything point to you. I mean, look at your wife, little. Eh? How could she, maneuver and do what you say she do? All them things there have to be come from a doctor. Everything point the way them her statement and stuff.
I am just as surprised about my wife.
Where she get them something the we call it again for inject people for kill them right away as a therapist. Where she get that? No, a doctor. Where she get it from? Tell me now. See?
Look, my wife used my identity. Go in at the break in at the place and get the stuff them.
And that's it.
Yeah, police,
You
no
think
man.
man yesterday? Listen, man.
Think no man.
No, man. Listen to me, no, man. I tell you what to do, You just ease out of the way there. Just confess and you get a lighter prison sentence, man. Lighter. When you're there, you go say, boy, you're not guilty, you go in front of the judge, man. You waste people time, What do you think is going to happen?
For the last time I'm trying to tell you, I don't know anything about it.
Listen, man. Your lawyer is on his way. As me I said, just plead guilty, no boss, man. How much time I have to tell you? You're going to waste time.
Good afternoon, staff. I just want to warn you that what you are doing is not in line with the law, okay? You and I know that this is not a formal Q&A, right?
Is it
So, Mr. Officer, you have already cautioned him, and what he mentioned previously was written down. Please allow me to speak with my client.
Sure, you're them big shot lawyer, you just, Anyway,
Thank
you know, and you're going to see how embarrassed.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right. See you in front.
Mr. Hanson, I told you before, right? Because I was right there listening, right? I told you that you don't have to say anything. Whenever they come and trying to taunt you to say something, they don't have to say anything. Because remember, in the first place, they cautioned you, right? And you told them that you don't know nothing about what they are talking about. And that was written down.
Yeah, but we just want to get out of here.
I understand, man. So, all right. So just listen to me. I'm going to get you out of here. So first of all, welfare. How are you doing?
Well, I'm not too good, man. Because them a place, I tell you, so the mosquito, them not too normal, man.
I understand that. Them hit you? Any one of the police officers them hit you or anything like that?
I truly even know, man.
No, man. Okay, tell me, man. Tell me. Because I need to know that so that it can be addressed, because that gentleman there look very aggressive.
No, man. Nobody know it, man. But they just don't want to make me get no food on this. You see me?
You have a right to be fed. That's a part of your constitutional rights. All right, so I'll note that, and I'm going to address that. All right, so good news. They don't have enough evidence to convict you, right? So for the most part, you will be out soon, right?
Remember, I see him with them, I say, cartel never have enough evidence, And at 13 years, he do,
I mean, I tell you, said me there now for 2 months. I mean, isn't me?
Listen to me.
It come like a mad, me a mad.
Listen to me. This is not cartel's case, right? This is Mr. Hans's case,
Yeah, but
right?
me not privy
And
counsel.
I am your attorney, and I'm telling you, it's inevitable that you'll be freed. So don't worry, man. Just sit back and relax. I am going to get you out of here, right? I'm going to make an application after the first mentioned date. I'm going to make an application, right? But you have to go to court for all of that to be done, right?
All right, Mr. Buchanan, no problem.
No, I am not Mr. Buchanan. Don't ever call me that name again. Mr. Buchanan is another lawyer. Don't ever give Mr. Buchanan my credit, right? So whenever you're freed, don't ever tell anyone that it's Mr. Buchanan, right? Put the credits on my name, right?
All right, Mr. Bernskins,
Mr.
no
Bernskins,
problem. No
yeah,
problem.
man.
Just do the right thing.
It's a pleasure.
I'm get out of here.
It's a pleasure, sir.
All right?
All right, so I'm going to have the food matter sort out, okay?
All right.
Don't worry about that because that's your constitutional rights. That's a part of it. And if they breach it, they can be sanctioned as well, right? And they can be sued. So a lot of money can be made from your case. So that's why I said that relax. And whenever they come, don't say anything.
All right.
A statement is voluntary. I told you that before, right?
Yeah, man, just do the right thing and make me get out of here. Please.
We'll do, sir.
I beg you.
We'll do, sir.
And my money are running low, you know, man. Just want, you see me? And a little bit of money me have to pay for you.
I can understand.
So we can get some new sheet and a pillow on it.
No, sir. It doesn't work like that here, okay? Just hang on, man. Just put some trust in it, man. I'll get you out of here, okay? Yes. All right.
Yes, good afternoon, Miss Tina, is it? Yeah. Okay. Yes, so Miss Tina, have you ever been to counseling before?
No, it's my first time.
Oh, it's your first time. All right, not to worry, I'm the best therapist in town. All right. But what is it that you're experiencing today?
So I've been hearing some voices since lately, and I prayed about it. I talked to my parents about it, and it wouldn't stop. So I was recommended by a friend to come and see you.
Oh, so you're hearing some voices in your head. So what are the voices like? Tell me a bit more about that.
All right, so like whenever I'm in the kitchen or anywhere where objects are that I can hurt myself, you're constantly hearing, take it out. Like, you know, suicidal thoughts and those type of voices.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So is it that the voices, you hear them when you're alone?
Yes.
Okay then. So just so you know, the voices, they're not bad. Not all voices are bad. However, in our next session, right, I will go and I will show you exactly how to get rid of those voices. All right? Okay. But this is just our introductory session, so we won't be doing much for today. All right? Is there anything else that you'd like to share with me?
No.
No? That's it? All right then. So I'll see you in our next session. Miss Chelsea? Good afternoon. How are you? You look so shocked.
I am shocked. Why are you here?
What do you mean, Miss Chelsea? I'm here, remember I'm a therapist and I have not seen you in over 2 months now. So it just rests on my conscience and I was just in the neighborhood and I just decided to pay you a visit. Yes, ma'am.
Did you lose my number, Miss Ansel?
No, I didn't, but I just thought a face-to-face would be better.
A call would have been nice,
Oh, I apologize. My bad. I apologize.
So,
yes, ma'am. But, yes, so your therapy session, I just came to follow up on that, So when are you available?
When am I available to come for therapy?
Yes.
I don't know when I will be available to come for therapy.
All right, tell you what. How about you come in on Friday evening at 2 p.m.? Free. All right?
Just since says, hi, have your number and my phone works fine, I'll definitely give you a text and let you know.
I insist. It's a gift from me to you. Remember, I thought about Christian just the other day. And, you know, I'm just so upset about the situation. And I don't know how to express to you that I am so sorry about what happened. And, you know, I may have suggested a few inappropriate stuff in the past. But, you know, this is me starting over. May have, you know. Yeah, this is me starting over. Fresh page. All right?
Are you sorry that my husband died? Are you here to show sympathy or it's because your husband is involved?
No, you know, I'm genuinely sorry because of what happened. And, you know, my husband, he is involved. At least that's what the news said. And, you know, I can confirm that as well. But I am genuinely sorry. However, you know, those persons, they have long gone, you know, they actually died.
They have long.
So, Miss Chelsea,
Oh
we just have to take life one step at a time. You know, we cannot dwell in the past.
You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. One step at a time.
Yes.
So for you to be encouraging me to move on, you know, we should have been taking things one step at a time.
Yes.
Okay.
So, all right. So, are you going to take me up on that date for Friday at 2 p.m.?
Like I said, I have your number. I'll definitely let you know.
Oh, okay, okay. That doesn't sound very promising, but you know, I remain optimistic nonetheless. All right.
That's good. That's very good.
All right. You have a nice home here, by the way. I didn't know that you had this mansion.
Well, it's not for you to know. I don't think that's important.
Just joking, Miss Chelsea. I'm just joking with you.
Miss Nancy, you know I don't understand you. I really don't.
What do you mean?
So, are you okay?
I am perfectly fine, my dear. You know, it's just a part of me that says I need to know about my clients. You know, this is just my way of showing that I actually care for my clients.
And as a patient that cares as well, aren't you taking it hard that your husband did some horrible things?
You know, I thought about it. I think he's paying for it already. You know.
Why are you smiling? Why?
You know, it's just my personality. It's just my personality, but what else can I do? What can I do?
Right. So you can see yourself out.
All right, Miss Chelsea, you know, that wasn't very nice, but
No, my bad. You can be on.
all right, thank you. That's better. I'll take my leave. All right. Do you have anything inside to drink?
No, not at all.
Oh man, the sun is so hot.
Poor thing.
But all right then, I'll take my leave.
Sure.
All
Let me say one more thing.
Oh, what's that?
Why do you have my address?
You know, I was in the neighborhood and I just glimpsed you around the back.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Because you walk that way.
Yeah.
And I'm all the way around here.
I took the other gate. Yes, I took the other gate up that side.
You know what? It's fine. It's
All
fine.
right then. All right, do enjoy the rest of your day.
Will do.
And I'll see you on Friday. All right?
Definitely.
Okay. What a lovely house.
So you say, young boy, what going?
No, I'm there. Let me just go over some files, you know.
No.
But me hear say, no catch one serial killer in Jamaica. Why? Me never know say would I find one black serial killer? Cause I only find me and things then. I first black serial killer me ever see.
Well, there's a first for everything.
But me hear say them a try get him bail though.
Oh, that the Hanson Virgin there.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, a big shot, you know. So, you know, say man have them lawyer and all them stuff. Them has to try bail, you know, say. And now go let them in there, you know. I have to go.
But you know, so me have one question for you actually, to be honest.
What man, shoot.
Why you always have your vest on? Like, you always have your, like, your plan to go power raid.
You know, say, actually everybody will come out here new. They always ask me the same question over and over and stuff. Me have to just press on record and tell them, listen to me. Me get shot couple times. And boy, I don't know, it coming like say me get paranoid. See me light flash in front of me, say, only if me dey have my vest. So you know what me do? When me go do my raid and do I buy, me not take it off, you know. All me I got my bed, you know. Me have on in. All if me have beard sometimes, hard to take it off. It come like say, boy, me get paranoid. Me don't know what happen.
No man, bro, you're too paranoid, man.
And I say you're afraid of that, you know, but me I tell you, say, Virgin, it just coming like a part of my senses.
No man,
You say that well gone.
That well gone, man. It sound like you're attached to it, man.
All me dead, them have to go bury me night.
So you never got therapy for it before?
Therapy for this?
Yeah. Like talk to one counselor and talk to him about say, oh, your problems are like say, if they can probably help you get through the mental trauma of having a vessel.
See if you say there's something that work.
Alright. To tell you the truth, I never go to therapy before, you know, but I feel say a lot of Jamaicans think that therapy not good enough. But I feel say a lot of we have trauma and some people just need to go to therapy.
Why? I have to go take your advice, because trust me. My therapist said I feel good.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just going to get some food at the restaurant.
Wow, you have to go spare me 5 minutes because I wanted to talk to
Oh,
you.
sure.
Okay, so the therapist, Miss Anson,
Uh-huh.
she showed up at the house. That's weird, right?
At the house?
Yes. Her excuse was she was in the neighborhood, so she decided to stop by.
That's a bit unusual.
Right. So she asked if I wanted to come back to therapy, and I said no. Or, well, I didn't exactly decline. Alright, I don't trust this woman. She's been weird. I don't know how she have the address, but she shows up. And she was being very, very weird.
You know what? Let's not judge her.
Let's not judge why.
Ah,
I gave you so much reason why we should be judging.
yes. But, given that, but just go. Since you already have an appointment,
Daddy.
go and see her.
Yeah, always I try to see the best in people. This is not the time to see the best in the therapist. She is beautiful. You don't understand?
Honey, even so, we can't judge from the outside. Tell you what, I will go with you. Just to be safe, I'll go with you.
What good will that do?
Ah,
Because I am telling you, if this is this woman's personality, she's going to act the same. Well, I guess now you will see similar delusional.
okay. But to be safe, nevertheless, I will go with you.
Yeah, but I don't want to go back. I am telling you that this woman showed up to the house. Why?
I honestly don't know what to make of all of this. But for leverage, we just have to go and see what happens.
Tell me why I need to go back to the therapist then. Like, give me one good reason and then I'll go.
It will offer some kind of closure and sense of well-being.
But all this woman do, I drive me insane. Like, she is driving me insane.
My daughter, let's not get all worked up about this. Just take it easy on yourself and just let's go. I will offer my support by going with you. Okay?
Fine. Are you available Friday? Because that's the date she gave.
I should be.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, would you like to accompany me to the restaurant? It's one of my favorite. Get some food and drink and so forth. Well, I'll give you time to change. Okay?
Okay.
I'll be waiting for you.
That thing must have something can help me, man. 1 week since and no changes.
Oh, Miss Tina.
Yes.
I do. Actually, I have something for you. You know, as promised, I always deliver on my promises. All right. But before I get into all of that, how has your week been?
Alright, there was no changes. Still the same, hearing voices,
Absolutely no change.
no changes.
You're still feeling suicidal.
Yeah.
You still get this urge to just, take your own life. Oh, okay. All right. Well, Miss Tina, you know, I told you I have the perfect thing for you. All right? Are you nervous? I don't want you to be nervous, man. It's nothing to be worried about. All right? You see, these things, they are perfectly normal in life. I have the perfect solution for your problem today. All right? Those feelings, they're perfectly normal. And it's okay to feel those type of way. All right?
What are you doing with that?
Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. This is just me taking care of the problem that you're experiencing. All right? Because you said that there is absolutely no change, and I just really want to help you. Don't worry. I have the perfect solution for this depression that you have. All right? Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Don't be nervous, man. I know exactly what I'm doing, All right? So just shift over a little bit. I'll take care of this problem. All right? Relax. You're going to relax your hand, feet flat. It's okay. It's okay. You're so tense. Remember, I'm your therapist and I know what I'm doing. I studied this for over 6 years. Don't worry. You can relax. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. It's a little baby. You say that maybe. Yes, welcome back, Miss Chelsea. It's always a pleasure seeing you here. I know it has been such a long while, but I see that you have company today. Seeing you moved on. Nice to meet you.
Yes, I do have company, but this is my dad.
Oh, that's your dad. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Joseph.
Joseph. All right, nice to meet you, sir. All right, so today, we're gonna talk a bit about everything that happened, right? You didn't come back after what? It has been 2 months.
Well, as you know, I'm going through a lot, and I just needed some time to process everything. That's about it. And my dad was here for me, so I was with him.
Oh, oh, that's really good. That's really good. Yes, I'm so glad you took up my offer to actually come back after such tragedy. But how is your mental state at this time?
Honestly, I wasn't going to come, but my dad convinced me it was a good idea.
Oh,
So,
mhm.
my mental state, not good, not good. But I'm getting somewhere.
You're
Yeah.
getting somewhere. Well, I'm actually relieved to hear that because based on how the situation happened, I can really tell that it had some amount of effect on you.
Right,
Alright?
and it was very hard coming here, being that it was your husband who did the damage. So,
Well, my dear, I've been with my husband for over 15 years and nothing like this ever happened before. So I'm still shocked, because you can never really know the person, to be honest. Like, you can never really know the person. But the police, they dealt with the situation, and I'm sure you know that he's still in jail at this time. So there's absolutely nothing to worry about right now.
I'm not worried about anything, but knowing that he's alive and he's being fed, that hurts a little bit, because he took a life and he's
He
not
did.
God. So,
He did. But we can just show mercy. We have to tamper justice with mercy at times. Well, I guess he is paying the penalty for what he did, and that's in the past. But anyways, let's not dwell on all of that.
okay.
Alright? So, do you plan to move on? Have you found anybody?
Move on. I don't think I'm ready.
Oh, you don't think you're ready? I mean, it has been 3 months. Well, 2 months, Miss Kelsey.
And you think that's enough time for me to move?
1 month would have been okay. Like, you need to get a partner. You need to, even if it means getting pregnant,
Alright, let's not do this again.
You're still in denial from the last session. Listen.
In denial about what exactly?
You're in denial. You're not happy and you need to be happy. You need to get a little husband in your life. You understand? You don't have anybody. I could give you enough of my brothers,
That's interesting. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh man, I think you need to move on. Let me see here. I have a few acquaintances that, they are on the market.
How much time?
We have about 3 minutes, but let me quickly get this number for you, man. I have a few persons who, they're on the market for a lovely lady like yourself here. Alright, go ahead and take this number.
You can write it down.
Alright, let me write it down for you. Because I realize that you're really not trying to get a husband, But that's really not bad for your mental state. And his name is Andrew.
So you're encouraging me to move on while I'm going through what I'm going through.
I thought you went through all of that already. It has been 2 months.
2 months.
Yes, man. All right, Miss Kelsey, his name is Andrew. Just let him know. No, Joseph, it's not for you. It's for her. Yes, just let him know Dr. Hansen gave you his number. It's such a wonderful gentleman. He's actually a Christian.
Okay, can we be on our way now?
All right. Remember, we still have a few minutes, You're in such a rush. But anyways, you can be on your way. Your next session will be on the 5th of September.
Next session?
Yes.
We'll see about that.
No, man. You should definitely come in for your session, because I see where this session has been helping you.
Really?
Yes, man.
Okay. All right.
All right, then, miss. Do have yourself a great rest of your day.
I will.
All right. And, Mr. Joseph, I see that you're very quiet. I have a few minutes. I could spare and just give you some counseling.
Actually, Dr. Hansen, I'll be okay.
You'll be okay. Are you sure about that, Mr. Joseph?
Very okay.
You know what? I'm going to schedule a free session for you. I won't be charging you, Is that okay?
I insist. I'm okay.
All right. No problem. No problem. So I'll see you around. So will you be coming back with her next time?
Yes, you will be coming back.
All right.
All right.
You should allow your father to talk, I know he can talk. Will you be coming
Nice
back?
to meet you,
All right.
It was a pleasure.
All right, sir.
All right.
So, Mr. Hansen, good news and bad news, right? Which one do you want to hear first?
Me already saying so I think we could get a bad news on this.
All right, calm down, man. So the application for your bail was submitted, and there's only one piece of document that is outstanding, right? That's the reason why you're going to be here for just a few days more, okay? All right, so is there anything that you want to tell me?
I've been thinking, there's this particular female that my wife always come home and talk to me about. One of her patients.
Yes.
Her husband died.
Yes.
Then she used to visit my wife. And I think say if I talk to that female, she have something, you probably can get a certain information from her. We can help the case.
So are you sure she can be of any help?
You know what? Don't worry about it. Just see if we can line up a meeting with her for me. And then we can get this out of the way. Just don't worry about it, man. She will help me, I tell you, because she already don't like my wife already, So Me know say whatever she you tell you about surprise.
Alright, so let me explain something to you. Right? If it is that she is a witness in your case, right? And let's say that she have witnessed something that your wife did that was out of line with the law, then no, she would be an asset, trust me.
Look,
But otherwise, let's say she doesn't know anything about your case. Then I mean she would be useless.
alright, just do that for me. Zane?
Alright, so what's her name?
Chelsea James.
Alright. So I'll definitely find out if she can assist within this case.
Alright.
So I'll try to locate her and see if we can have a short discussion as it relates to
Yeah man,
your
please,
sister.
man, I tell you,
Right?
whatever
Alright, I'll do that for you, right?
we go get out.
But please, don't worry.
Yeah man, I got on time, you know.
I'm going to get you out of here, right?
Got on time.
Okay then.
It's Mr. Vassil. Thank you for coming in.
Thanks. Well, I don't know whether the end sitting here again and stuff, but
But thank you for taking up my offer, by the way.
yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, what you said to me the other day, you were talking to me and, really get me thinking
Mm-hmm.
that I should really come and actually try. I mean, nothing harm in trying
Yeah.
and see.
So have you tried before to, stop wearing it?
No, boy. I don't know. That coming like a one of my senses right now. It's like, as I was telling you before that I just paranoid because what happened
Mhm.
and stuff. It coming like if I take it off the vest, it's like I don't know. Even when I sometimes I wake up in the morning, I still have it on. Even if me have a beard, sometimes is to take it
Wow.
off. Yeah, seriously, I don't know.
Fair.
Yeah.
I did not get the backstory. What really caused this?
No, I remember I told you that time before that I got shot twice. And actually it's because me wearing this. It's like I just get so paranoid that boy just to not be in it.
Mm-hmm.
Even at home, problem with the woman. Take off the vest. I'm like, okay. All right. But trust me, like it lodging on my head, yeah, boy. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mr. Vassil, are you aware that even if you're wearing the vest, you can still die? Remember, the vest only protects your upper body, right?
I know.
What about your head? I don't see you wearing a helmet.
I know, I'm not really bulletproof up this about boy. I don't know. I don't know if you explain it, but since that happened,
Mm-hmm.
it's just hard to go anywhere without my vest. So actually, I'm just come and see if you have like a pointers you can tell me exactly, how to deal with it. But I don't know. It just hard to go without it.
All right then. So the first thing that you need to do, Mr. Voss, is that you have to accept the fact that this vest is nothing but an object and it's not necessarily protecting you as you're thinking. I think what you're going through is it's a mental phase. Like you have this whole concept of the vest protecting you, but that is not the reality here. All right?
Yeah, man.
So you have to accept that this vest is nothing but an object, and then I would prefer if you try to remove it, at least just for a few minutes for now. All right. So can you do that for me?
No?
Yes.
The kind of weird. Seriously?
Yes, I'm not.
No, I can't move it now because I move it all the while, but during the days, is a no. All right?
Mhm.
All right. It's not a problem. I can remove it. All right. Go on. I will.
So you just have to take it phase by phase.
No.
Yes, right now.
Boy, here it goes.
It's nothing for you to be.
I know. Actually, but that's it. All right. There you go.
How does that feel? Don't you feel a bit free? Isn't it liberating?
For now, but actually, when I go to the road, that's the thing, I will take it off here. But actually, when I go on the road or anywhere else, I just have to just get it. I know I'm safe here, but the problem is not here. Is when I leave and as soon as I go out, that's it.
All right. So, Mr. Vassil, You got to bear in mind, that there is life and death in the power of the tongue. You would be very disappointed if you're actually wearing that vest and somebody shots you in your leg and you're not able to walk again.
Well,
It just protects your upper body.
vital organs, yes.
Well, yes, you're correct about that. But here's what I want you to do. I want you to keep the vest as it is. Don't wear it outside. At least try that for a day. All right? And then we'll do a follow-up session and you let me know how you're feeling after that.
So you said just try and don't wear it.
Yes, just for today.
All right. Just for today.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna try my best. I know nothing like, but I can do that. I can do it. It's a start anyway, because trust me, everywhere I go, I have it on. So I'm gonna just try it, a thing today and see if I can, go on the road without it.
Yes.
All right?
And just so you know again, death is inevitable. So if you're
man.
going to die, the vest is not going to be able to save you.
Well, all right.
All right?
Yeah, man.
So that concludes our time for today. Do you have any questions?
Not really. No. That is what I came here to talk to you about.
All right.
All
right. So your next session will be Wednesday at 3 p.m. Yes. So, officer, how is the case going?
Oh, well, actually, I can just give you a little prep on what's because I not really can talk much about it. But actually, there's a little bit of ongoing thing going on because we're still trying to find out where in acquire that dose of poison could kill even a cow. Where he got it and stuff. And there's some other things which we have tried. How much people, in turn serial killer now. So actually, we're trying to find out if there are more cases and stuff.
So, are there any other suspect in the case?
Oh, no, not for now. No, man. He's a doctor. The gun, the pills with his name on it, and all them stuff. Not the pills.
It's definitely him, man. I'm confident about that.
How are you feeling now? Your husband.
He did the crime, so he should do the time. He's paying the penalty that he should be paying, and I have no regrets about it.
Well, anyway, don't worry yourself, all right? You won't be coming out for any time soon.
I'm glad to hear that.
All right, so you take care, all right?
Yes, man, and you too. Have
Yeah,
a
man.
good one.
All right, take care.
All right, you too.
Yeah, man.
So,
My daughter, I'm beginning to realize that she may be involved in those murders or murder of her husband. I'm beginning to realize that you've been right all along. Something is off about her, and I would encourage you not to go back.
that's good. That's such a relief, to be honest. Because at one point, I feel like I'm gone nuts. I feel like I'm alone that I see it.
I'm so sorry for not listening to you and believing in you.
So what do we do now?
I would advise you to be very careful. And if she call and want to visit you, I think you should not accept it.
She will not tell me that she's coming if she's coming. She's going to come.
Just be aware. Be on your alert. And make sure your doors are locked. You can't take anything for chance. Okay? My daughter, come by my house and stay. And stay as far away from her as possible.
I can stay away from her, but she won't stay away from me.
That's why I'm encouraging you to come by my house. You'll be safe there.
Okay, that's not a bad idea. That's a bad idea.
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Jason. How are you doing today?
Today, all right.
Today is okay. Okay.
Today, all right.
Just following up on the situation, did everything work out? Just following up on your situation. How's it going?
It'll go. But doctor,
Yeah.
when I get my daughter?
How are you gonna get your daughter?
Yeah, when?
When?
Doctor, me I come here so for a whole long now. Doctor, me tired to see her. Me no want to see her again.
Remember, I told you that there is something that you needed to do for me, right? Remember, one good turn deserves another. What are you willing to do to get back your daughter?
You want me to sweep the place? You look
You're
kind of
so funny.
dusty.
Mr. Jason, you're so funny. I know you're a smart man. What are you willing to do to get back your daughter?
I can't really do nothing in that. I can't really do nothing. Nothing at all. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. It's just another man. I just want my daughter, doc. I long to see my daughter.
Have you ever used one of these before?
Doc!
No. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Doc, how are you doing that?
I will never hurt you.
Jesus Christ. But doctor, you alright?
Yes, man.
No, we don't point that near me when I want.
Oh, man. I'll never hurt you. Alright? So this is how you use it.
Just have mercy. Lady.
Relax, Mr. Jason.
We are doing that.
There is a police officer who is trying to tarnish
You
my
hurt you, me not
career.
nothing, doctor. I promise me not do nothing. Me ever tried you nothing, doctor. Gee. Doctor, turn that so you.
Relax. There's an officer who is trying to tarnish my reputation.
Doctor, what that have to do with me? Eh?
It has nothing to do with you. However,
I'm afraid of police,
if you want to see back your daughter, I need you to take care of that police officer for me.
Can't take care of nobody, doctor.
You will get it done.
My daughter alone, me can't.
So this is how you go about doing it, alright? Let me just take this out. So, to ensure that I won't shoot you or anything, alright? So that's how you do it. Go ahead and take it, get the job done. Remember, as I said before, he lives on the scheming Petersfield. He drives a black SUV.
I'm gonna get my daughter when?
Oh man, that's guaranteed. Get the job done, then I'll let you know when.
Yes. Doctor. And then I joke thing in a doctor. Oh, my
You are
daughter.
in no position to make any demands. It's my way or no way at all. Get the job done.
How you, man? Come on. How you, man? How you? Come on. Doctor answer.
Mr. Jason, what's go? Oh, you got the job done.
Job done.
Good.
It's done.
So how was he? How was he? Is he dead?
I can't do it. I can't do it.
What do you mean you can't do it?
I can't do it.
What do you mean?
Try.
Why?
Me take out the gun on me. Nah, fire.
But there are bullets in the gun, so why you didn't kill the man?
Nah, fire. I just want my daughter.
Oh, you want your daughter?
My daughter.
But I told you the conditions, you know. You do this, and I return a good favor for you.
I want my daughter. You go do it then. I want my daughter.
Is that so? Alright. It's okay. It's okay.
I get my daughter.
Alright, your daughter.
Yeah.
So, you know, I told you that I'll be making my recommendations. And my recommendation is that you'll never see your daughter again.
What?
It's okay, Mr. Jakes.
You never see my daughter again.
Oh my God. I'll have to clean up this mess. I need some bleach. Where's the bleach?
Yo, what me hear say go on? Me hear say somebody try to shoot off you.
I better you man to shoot off of me. But I feel much better. He said, yo, all right, no, me tell you, I'm not even get a look on you. Nothing at all. The man just this. Yeah, you want to feel. Yo, me tell you right now, I'm corrupt, man. I don't understand what I go on. Something not right, something not right. I don't understand. I can't understand.
What you mean?
You convince me for go look therapist. I'm going to go to therapist.
See, but so what that have to do with nothing?
She convinced me to take off my vest. See? Me there in my yard asleep. This never happened to me yet. And up on the road me there. In my house. Me think I dream me a dream. When me look, white me eye look, a gun me a point in my face. The man a tremble. You think I joke thing me tell the brethren? I run away. The man run away. In my house. When me feel I'm safe. Without my vest. So I don't understand what happened.
So wait.
Something right.
Let me try to understand. So you go to therapy. The therapist tell you to take off your vest.
Tell me to take, and it's so hot that when me take off vest, man coming at my house. My house.
Bro.
How that look?
You're overthinking.
What do you mean overthink, brethren? For all the years, me have on vest. The one that could hear me take off the vest. Lay down in the bed there, so somebody come in to kill me.
I probably robbing
And then I could eat that when I thought you got joke thing on my cat. No. No, I'm not laughing, my brethren.
Yo, no, you about the brothers and half of it. Listen to me. Probably I just somebody try I go rob you and then they just get coward.
Something not right, brethren. Something not right. Something not add up. Something not add up. Me know this thing I long enough. Something don't add up.
So where you try? Somebody set you up?
Something not right, brethren. Something not right. Me I tell you. 365 days and the 1 year that happened to me. Listen, man. Me. Nah, take off this vesa. Them have to go bury me night.
Bro.
You see what I tell you about? You see it?
You're over.
Yeah, so coincidental, man. Something not right, man.
Bro, you're too paranoid. So probably you just need come in there for rob you. Probably you choose one random house. You're not have to overthink it.
Look here. If you did there in this space and time, that's what me I talk about. Something not right, man.
So you're gonna really beat in investment?
Boss, man. I don't know where me I go get me night everything. Listen, my man. Apart from that, something is not right.
Yes. Mr. Burnskin, thank you so much for meeting me.
Yes.
But you...
And I must say, I'm not Russia, but I have a meeting. 6 o'clock, right? Yeah, so go ahead.
You know, I just called you here today to find out an update about the case. What's going on with this case with my husband?
My gosh. Miss Hanson.
Dr. Hanson.
Dr. Hanson.
Yes, sir.
Is this the reason why you called me here?
What do you mean?
All
Isn't
right,
this a good enough reason?
You know I'm representing your husband already. And there are certain things that I can't disclose. Even though you are his wife, I really can't do that.
You seem to be forgetting one thing. Don't you remember the fact that I was the one who convinced your wife to actually stay with you? You owe me one.
So, who you want? This is really hard, Dr. Hanson.
I trust that you do the right thing.
You see, my job, I have to convince my clients that I am trustworthy. And I've never done something like this before.
Well, now is your chance.
As I said, I owe you one. I that's true. All right. I've submitted you really want me to
I'm listening.
I've submitted an application for bail firm, and it really looks like it's going to work.
Why would it work? I mean, he's guilty, so I don't see why he would be getting bail.
Are you serious?
Listen, I love my husband, but
Let me
he's
cut
a sick individual who needs psychiatric evaluation.
Let me cut you. Let me cut you, Doc. It's a part of his constitutional rights.
Is
Right?
that so?
So he has a right to bail, to be bailed. So we can't deny him bail.
Are you a criminal lawyer?
The judiciary system won't do that. Right? It's his right.
Well, thank you for the update. You see, that wasn't so bad. Is there anything else that you think I should know?
Yes. And he asked me to locate Chelsea James.
Chelsea James.
Right, Chelsea James. You know that person?
Don't worry about it.
Yes, Mrs. Chelsea. Good to have you. Lawyer Bernstein here. I don't really want to hold up your time because I know that the schedule is very, very busy. I came by your house the other day. You weren't there. I believe it's one of your relatives who have left the message with that I want to speak with you.
Relative? No, it was my neighbor. I don't have any family here. I wasn't home. I haven't been there for a while. I've been staying with my dad because some things has been happening to me, and I just can't be there right now.
Understand.
What is it that you want from me?
As you already know that I'm an attorney, and I'm currently representing my client who is Dr. Hansen.
I can't. Me don't want to be a part of this, honestly. Please just leave me out of it. She is crazy. You know who you deal with? Please don't get caught up with that lady. She go drive you down with her. You understand that?
Alright, just listen to me for a moment. Don't jump to conclusion, please. Alright, so I am representing the husband, right? Not the therapist, which is the wife.
That don't make a difference, honestly. He murdered people. You understand?
Wow, that's some serious allegations right there.
Well, it's not only me. It's all over.
Well, as I always tell my clients and people who normally visit me regarding cases, the accused is not guilty unless proven guilty by the court.
Well, he somehow had something to do with it, so I just don't want to be a part of it, alright?
This is it, Miss Chelsea. My client strongly believes that his wife has fabricated all these stuff, right? And now he's incarcerated. So he strongly believes that you can assist us in building a case for his defense, being that you are one of his wife's patients.
Well, if that's what you need from me, I guess I can help.
Welcome.
Let's get straight to the point.
It's poor way. Seems like we plan peas aligned, but we both have something in common. We need to find out who killed our husband.
Weren't you just in jail for the crime? We need to find out who.
I wasn't the one who did it. My wife is the one who did it. But I mean, say you were one of our patients, so you can probably be one eyewitness them in a court case and testify. Look, we promise we will protect your identity. But we just need to prove, say, I know me, I the one who killed him.
Listen, I don't care. I don't care if it's you or her. I just want justice. And not only for my fiancé, but for everybody else. This don't make sense, you know.
Since what me I talk about, me spend 2 months in a jail for something with me no do. And she have to pay. She even come visit me and I laugh. And I said me have to just do the time.
Alright, listen.
She's a wicked person, you know.
Me not gonna pretend like me not have no clue what you're talking about because I do think something is off with your wife and I do believe that she had something to do with the patient's dying. Alright?
Remember saying, my wife is a therapist. I am a medical doctor. And now, because of her, me lose my license.
Okay, well that really has nothing to do with me and I don't want to be harsh but I really don't care about you or she. We just want
You
to
love your
just-
husband, right?
Yes, that's why I
So
decided
trust
to-
me. Trust me and let us bring the killer to justice.
Like I
You
said.
know it, look, you know you don't know me, you know. You don't know nothing about me, you know, and you probably believe say I'm me kill your husband because it's not me.
Not 100%. Like I said, I do believe your wife is crazy and she has an obsession. So, alright, what's the plan?
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. You talk to my lawyer and make you know say you're willing to testify and then we no, I'm gonna make you protect your ID.
Testify or give you the information on my app.
You know, collect information, whatever information I have to share and so. You understand? So
Okay.
please, just tell him whatever you know and make it sure if we can bring the killer to justice. Alright? And thanks for meeting me again.
Sure.
Wow.
Damn it!
This kind of puzzling. What brings you two here? I don't understand.
Detective Vassil.
Eh.
I don't know if I got the palm my side, you know. You know, so last night I'm walking about my business. I see one white Axia pull up. Bam! My wife jump out. A beat shot off of me.
Your wife? Where was this?
Up a Pullet Lane.
But when I get a report of shots.
I must about 20 or 15 shots. I took me after that.
So, hold on then. Alright, don't get me wrong, you know, but listen to me. Let me ask you a question. When that happened last night?
Early this morning, about after 2 a.m. in the morning.
And you just come here, sir?
Me have to hide out in a bush, me sleep in a bush. Nervous, me don't know where to go.
Alright, listen. Alright, Mr. Hanson. So, yeah, you want to tell me, say, 2 o'clock in the morning, where you come from 2 o'clock in the morning?
Detective Vassil.
Eh.
Me just released. Me and my wife not upon no good terms. The first place me have to go is the club.
Wait, the
Club cancer. Run a club cancer. You know around this. So. Me know you know around this. So.
Well, anyway, I'm listening now. But actually, as I said before, when I get no report of any shots fired around that side.
God no, right now I should even know. So we are going about this now. Because we can't have our on the road say, you know. See how much months me do in a jail for something I not do, you know.
Alright, you see, if we did get a reported shots fired and so forth, we'd probably send 2 guys around there, but we don't hear nothing.
But you know
what you tell for the know?
You know people now make no report. You know nobody now
No,
make
but you can't just tell me say shots fired there so we don't get no report and we just send people we don't hear, but we can't do that.
But you get the report. No, this is the report. This is us giving a statement. You take it out.
So how come, we don't understand, how come you two, what's happening? Why you here?
Listen, don't mind that. She have some
No. Listen, I'm asking some questions.
Officer, look now. I 2 away apart.
Oh? You want a part?
We not there, you know. Don't get this wrong, you know. We just have one common enemy, and it's my wife.
What? Let me understand this. All right? Listen to me. Listen to me. It's alleged that he's the one that killed the husband.
Allegedly.
Exactly.
Wait, no, listen to me. It's alleged that he is. You understand me? And he is here telling me that his wife is guilty of what he's saying. So, how would you meet? How, I don't understand. Let me understand what happened.
Mr. Vassil, I've been coming here for months, and if you see me come with somebody when me say kill my husband or who them say might have something to do with it, you know, say we have something, we need something.
I mean, no, say me innocent.
And I
See?
think it's innocent.
Listen to me. Me and this business are long enough. When somebody come to you, we listen. I will not say that whatever you're saying to me now, it no go so. I know in Jamaica, anything no go so, it near so. All right, you understand me? I will take your word for it. What you say you pull it lane?
We're not pull it lane.
All right, I'm going to send somebody out there to see if they find any spank shell out there. All right? Just for that. And stuff.
But if anybody that can see spank shell, them pitney can see spank shell, them and take
So then,
them
you say them beat a lot of shot, then they take up everything?
You know,
So you want to send somebody there? What I don't understand. Let me understand what happened.
I need you to get my wife in locked up.
It don't just work like that, son. It don't just work like that.
So if you ever tell me say you don't have as much evidence, so how me get locked up so easy? If it's something when me not do,
All evidence pointed to you. That is the reason why you get locked up.
But that was the plan, obviously. He is being framed. Mr. Vassil, you have to understand.
think like a police now. Think logically. Come on, man. Nobody make it force look so, man.
Wait just a listen to me. Until you find some real concrete evidence, you come back in it. Look here, you see you? Make sure you turn up a coat, you know. When you come out of my office. You hear me, sir?
Some concrete, we are going to give you cement.
Yeah, until you come back with something concrete, man. Listen, man. Find a way out, man.
You speak to me, lawyer.
You know, no manners, man.
See, barefoot me run come in here, you know, man.
Right.
All the months long and me have taxpayers' money, you know.
Alright, listen. What are the plan? Because they said they want some concrete.
Alright, so here what the plan is. Me I go home and search up my wife documents and see what I can find.
Oh, me can't help.
You just go to the therapist office and me don't know, just try fi. Look. Please, just do this to me. You understand? Just go there, try to see if I can record nothing. No, just your phone. Just use your phone. You understand? Just please, just do this to me. We go get this. Because them police say nah.
I have one appointment with our home, may get one appointment.
Yeah, woman, you know, man, just use a great phone and so you can.
Mrs. Chelsea, I'm so happy that you actually came back, you know. Although you didn't take me up on my offer to come on Friday at 2 p.m., but nonetheless, I'm happy that you're here.
Right.
But I realized that you didn't come with your dad this time. What's up?
He was a little busy. Before we go any further, is it okay if I record the session?
Oh, you want to record me? And
Well, not the both of us, you know, so I can listen to it whenever I'm not able to come, because it's a long drive.
oh,
Mm-hmm.
you know, I feel like in-person therapy is best. So you're actually not allowed to record the session. All right?
Okay.
All right. So let's do it in person, man. No problem. All right. So tell me, how have you been?
I've been okay. I'm okay.
You've been okay? All right. So are you still grieving the loss of your fiance?
I am. Yes.
You are? All right. So how have you been coping with all of that? What have you been doing differently? Did you go out like I suggested?
No, that's not easy to do. So, no.
After 3 months, you're still saying this?
Yes. It's a mutual conversation, right?
It is.
So, can I ask you some questions or something?
Remember, I am the therapist, but I'm going to allow you the opportunity to do that.
Okay. You normally ask, "Oh, am I coping?" And I'm just seeing you that. Are you coping? You know, with your husband being out and being.
Oh. You know, I give myself the same advice that I give to you. You know, one monkey don't stop the show. That's my advice to myself, right? So he did his wrong and he faced the consequences. And we're just moving on from that right now. But in terms of my mental health, I am doing just fine.
Happy to hear.
Yes.
Happy to hear.
All right. Is there anything else that you'd like to know?
Do you sleep well at night?
I sleep like a baby in the nights, Miss Chelsea. I have nothing to worry about.
So there's no guilt at all that your patient died.
Um, you see, because I have absolutely nothing to do with all that, there is no need to feel guilty.
But didn't I heard in the news that you brought home personal information? That's the reason why your husband had access.
My husband, that was an error on his part, right?
So you don't feel bad for doing that?
No, why should I? Why should I?
Because that was your error.
Oh man, you know, I have to take home documents. But my husband was wrong for actually going into my personal belongings. Yes. But apart from that, you know, it has already been done. Yes. But why the sudden interest in my personal affairs, Miss Chelsea?
I'm just curious with how you're coping and all. Because therapists don't normally seek therapy, you know.
Oh.
And we're friends, right?
Oh, you're curious. And what
Yes.
made you so curious?
Well, I was just curious to know how you were holding up.
Oh,
Do you feel safe with him being out and all?
absolutely. I'm just starting to feel, you know, slightly uncomfortable with those questions.
Why is that?
Because the last time I checked, I'm the therapist. And you know, I was on my work the other day when I noticed you and my husband talking. What was that about?
It's really not what you think, to be honest. I didn't even want to talk to you. You know, but he wanted to know how I was doing and apologize. You know. But it's really nothing. It's nothing at all. Trust me. Seriously.
I don't buy that.
Why not?
You have no business speaking to my husband. He's an ex-con for that matter.
Well, that's the reason why you should believe me. Why would I want to talk to that man?
That conversation seemed more than just him checking up on you.
Did you overhear the conversation? No.
Remember, darling, I'm a therapist. I'm good at reading body language, you know. This has gone on long enough.
Are you getting irritated, Miss Ansel?
Oh. And you seem to be so happy that I'm getting irritated. You know, I'm actually not irritated at all. Probably a bit too calm. You know, there's more than one way to skin a cat.
Is that a threat?
And I know that you're recording.
Why would you think that?
Don't insult my intelligence.
I'm not recording you, Miss Ansel.
Oh. So, you are trying to tell me that you don't know what's going on here?
I have no clue.
You know what? I think I'm gonna put you out of your misery.
That's what you do with all your patients, Mrs. Ansel.
Oh. So you know about that too?
Oh.
Ooh.
Are you confirming?
You know what? This has gone on long enough. No! This is not happening.
Yeah, Detective Vassil. Check your phone. You see you want something concrete, right? Alright.
Yeah. Can't stretch out in my house, you know.
Hello? What are you doing here?
Excuse me?
You should be locked up by this time, you know?
Seems like you forgot
Forgot what?
that I have legal rights to this place just like you are.
Oh, so you are in on all of this stunt.
Eleanor, you don't say I'm a mad girl.
Who is mad? You forget that I am the therapist, so who is mad now?
Right now, I feel like you need psychiatric evaluation, you know.
You know what? I don't have time for all the shenanigans. As a matter of fact, count your days.
Count my days. Hello, get back here. Talk to me. What is it? What is the problem? Eh?
There's no problem. I got a flight to catch.
So,
Please, to excuse from my way.
So, Eleanor, what make you do all
You
of
know
this?
what? This has gone on long enough.
Let it go. Let it go.
Hold it there. Hold it there. Quick, hold it. Put it down. Don't move. Stay right there, don't move. Stand up in the box. Stand up. Stand up.
She's mad, officer.
Stand up.
She's mad.
It's you my yard, so you should know. Turn around to me. Put your hands behind. Turn. Turn it back. Turn around.
Yeah,
After I make you come on.
Yeah, officer.
And convince me to put down my tactical gear. Look here, look here.
Tell her, man, what I put it?
I'm not afraid to shoot you now. I will shoot you. You understand? Relax it. Relax yourself. Just relax yourself.
Come on, take her out here, man. They don't much, make me do much months for her.
Come.
Crime, man, me no do.
Get out.
Eh?
Yes, man. Meet out. Out.
Take her out of her place, man.
I'm just
a wicked.
Go on out.
Tell her, man. As I said again, there's no words can bring back the loss of your loved one. And I'm so sorry for what my wife have done. Alright? I wish there is something I could actually do.
Well, your help will get justice, so that's enough, you know, really appreciate that.
Alright, and thank you again. I said that for the hospitality. Boy, me always hear say you cook the best cow foot in man, and I believe you. You put your foot in it the other day at the dead yard, man.
And thank you too for your support.
Yeah, man, respect.
I appreciate it.
And you have no mind, so if there's anything I can help you with, just feel free to give me a call, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, no problem. Take care, yeah?
I don't even know if I should call the doctor at this moment based on the situation that you put yourself in.
I'm still a doctor, you know.
So I
Go
should
over.
ask Dr. Hansel.
That's about right.
Yeah, so me being here today, the usual stuff, because we use this thing of a session, but I won't say a session, it's more of a psychiatric evaluation.
Psychiatric
Yes,
evaluation.
ma'am, because the situation is very technical at this moment. It's either a death penalty or you want to finish it for me?
Or what?
Or what? Or they send it to a mental ward.
But there's nothing wrong with me, so I don't understand all of this.
Tell me something. Where are you now?
I'm just here, you know. I may have breached some stuff, but I'm just here. I'll be out in no time.
So you say nothing is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm sane.
Well, you see, we are in the same profession, basically, and I understand that the mind has a time that you can play some tricks. Because we have dealt with so much things. You smoke? You smoke?
No, not even
Exactly.
once.
There's a little way that some of us need to, release that tension that builds up within our system, And I believe, because we are friends from a long time, that can be a cause. But this thing that is here now is very serious. It's either death penalty, as I told before, or they say to listen. But you have to agree. You have to agree. Because what you're telling me now is that you did nothing wrong. And you're only here on vacation, basically. Is that what you're
Dr.
saying?
Goldburn, I think you have it all wrong. There's nothing wrong with me. There's absolutely nothing wrong. I'll be out in no time. I think you're just wasting your time, frankly.
Is that so?
Yes. You know how much things I've done for my patients? I've put them out of their misery. I mean, society thinks that I killed my patients. I didn't kill them. I just put them out of their misery. Right?
Tell me something. You sound like you're an antichrist or something. You see, that's the kind of religion that you jump in and
No,
to
man,
me
I'm
that's
not.
kind of a different level of insanity, my dear.
I'm not an antichrist. I believe firmly in Jesus Christ.
You see, don't say that, Nick, because I understand that maybe you're not understanding the full depths of the situation that you put yourself in.
Hold
You know?
on. Have you ever been to therapy?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something. This thing is not about me right now.
Hold on, Dr.
I'm a
Goldburn.
therapist.
Dr.
Right?
Goldburn, I think you're missing the point here. How are you feeling today? Because you're acting like there is something wrong with you. Are you feeling okay?
My belly is full. My mind is full. I think something is wrong with you.
No, man, I think there's something
Hey,
wrong with
listen,
you.
listen. This session is not about me today. And that is the problem that you are here. That is the reason why you're here.
You seem a bit irritated.
Hello. Can you stop?
Is everything okay at home?
Can you stop?
Dr. Goldburn, what are you writing? What are you writing, Dr. Goldburn?
Hello. You see? This session, I guess, has to, end at this place right here. And what I'm writing here is what you rightfully deserve. And, I hope you enjoy your vacation while you're here. All right? I have an ex-client I have to sort out. All right? So it was good. Nice seeing you. And I wish you all the best. All right?
Hello, Dr. Goldburn. I won't be here too long, I'll be out in no time.
You're right about that. Yeah, man. You'll be out. But where you gonna go?
I'll be back home in my mansion.
Have a wonderful time.
Okay, Dr. Goldburn.
And everything my father say, if you follow him, I'm my virgin brother, trust me. We are go up there, we are take up some things and come back down.
I just 10-year-old pitney, are you supposed to control your pitney? Yeah, allow the streets to raise your child?
I'm saying no little boy at school feel like he can say no take no program. Me no want when you come home from school. Nobody have to tell me, so then see you nowhere with Frank, dirty boy.
Give me 2 reasons to know of you. You have to go to school.
What are you doing here? You should be in school.
My father not really busy about me, you know. Because if I go to school, you know, I think I'm not really bad. I have to learn. That are 2 reasons. Put 2 more pan.
Because you feel like I say, you know, you see this protect.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah?
See it, no, brother, you can't hold it.
We offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
All right, but before I go, I want to tell us that if you need a professional photographer or a professional videographer for any form of event, link we up. Richard Brown Films provide photo and videography service outside of doing YouTube. Make sure you link me up. All right? All right, so I'm going to do this at the end now. All right, so if I hear the sound of my voice, it simply means say you watch the video to the end. So thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you. All right, so there is a number of things that I want to talk about before you see me come off of the screen. And some of the things I want to talk about, investment, I want to talk about the direction of where we want to go. Now, these are some of the things that we've been talking about from day one on the channel. But a lot of it have not manifest because we don't have money. Everything that we do here, it costs money and we have to do it out of our pocket. We have to do it out of the little revenue we make from YouTube. Thank God for some people who out there, but me not really calling name, we love what we are do and help us to reach thus far in terms of purchasing cameras, in terms of purchasing laptop, in terms of purchasing everything that we have so far. It's you who out there who love what we are do and believe in what we are do and support it. So thank you. You know yourself. All right. So the next thing I want to talk about is I want to buy a drone and I want to buy a new laptop. Not that I don't have a laptop, I do have one. But I feel like having a next laptop would be also a backup if in case something happened to one, and also if it help to put out more work so we can get more editing done and more things done efficient. Now having a drone now we able to can get some of those nice overhead shots where we see we show from time to time. We did have a drone, but unfortunately it fly away. So we don't have it anymore. So we want a new drone. So those are 2 of the things that we want presently now. So if you want to contribute towards it, link me up on Instagram and we can talk how you can contribute. Or if you want to buy one, you can buy it. Or if you just want to donate something, you can donate towards it. The final thing I want to talk about is investment. Now, when we talk about investment, is that no more than ever I realize in order to take what we are do to the next level, it will take investment. And when we say investment, what I simply mean is that there are things that are going to help us to reach to the next level. But a lot of it is going to take money that we don't actually have. So if there are persons who out there who want to invest in what we're doing, you can also link me up. And what we would do with the investment is there are 2 things that we can do. We can actually set up a small studio where we don't have to necessarily go anywhere to shoot certain things. Like we can create a prison scene, we can create a doctor office, we can create a little bar, we can create structures where we not have to go elsewhere, go shoot it. And we also can rent them out to other people who want to film or people who want to do music video. That's one of the things. So we don't acquire a piece of land, set up some little structure and put those things in place. So that's what investment is going to do. The other form of investment is putting in a big budget where we can work on a more high budget film where we can probably bring down a few actors from Kingston, some well-known actors, mix them with who we have and work on a project where we can shop to Netflix or shop to Tubi or one of those places. But it will take investment. You know what I mean? That's it. That's what really I will take. So those are the things that we need. We need investment. We need investors. We need persons who want to see the film industry grow and be a part of what we are doing over here. So because honestly, we've been trying to do it all by ourselves for over 5 years now, and some way, shape, or form, I feel like we want to go to the next level. But in order to do so, we are going to need no help. Unfortunately, government put out something, said they might give, they call it grants. But we don't know how the grant thing they go, because we don't get none. And we don't know if nobody get none. But Alton say one new grant come out again, but we don't know how the grant thing go. But we are left that alone because we not get involved in the whole politics thing. And we don't try to pick on side. We just try to be neutral from what we are do and stick to making movies and being focused. So please, if you don't want to subscribe and want to contribute towards what we are do, link me up on Instagram or send me an email at richardbrownfilms@gmail.com, or the same thing, richardbrownfilms on Instagram. Big up on yourself. I know me talk long, but show some support. Alright? Yeah, man.
Son, obviously, he is being framed. Mr. Vassil, you have to understand.
Think like a police now. Think logically.
Look here.
Listen, don't mind that. She have some.
No.
Listen,
Not asking some
listen,
questions.
officer, look now. I two of you apart.
Oh. Oh.
We not there. We not there. We not there.
Chill off, man. Sure. Ready? Oh. Oh, this again. Ready? Ready? 12 we are far. Oh, but we're not there. Somebody say, well,
Come now, man. You're police, no man. Use your brain now.
what you say? No.
Come on.
Ready?
You say one.
I'm the therapy, but you can go ahead. I'm the therapist.
Yeah, you are a person?
I'm like, what the hell?
I'm a therapist. So I don't really.
So now you know a little bit.
Well, listen. Then you can say, is that so? Then you can say, yeah, I'm telling one way to do for your patients, man.
Okay.
One benefit. Right now.
Waste your time. Yeah. Ready?
I think you're just wasting your time here, quite frankly. Alright.
You're alive and well. Enjoy your stay here. I'll be visiting you now and then to bring you something. All right? I love you. All right?
Just think of it as a vacation.
I see me there in Carter.
That's 13 years.
I been there 2 months. I feel like me I got mad.
Come on.
Yeah.
We know, action.